Brad here, Fucked Up Fridays again. You're going to a picnic, you got your homebrew, you finally nailed your recipe, or you're going to a buddy's place, well, you got your keg, right, and you got all the paraphernalia that goes with it to get the beer out, but your friend doesn't have a kegerator. Come on. No, okay, nobody has kegerators, let's be honest. They also don't have kegerators in the park. I was surprised to learn this also. It's hot outside, it's plus 30 something here in Winnipeg in the summertime. So this beer is gonna get warm pretty damn fast. What do we do? How do we preserve it? Drink it really fast? That's that viable option. I tried, it works, Get it done, don't recommend it, but first step, you need a vessel. What's a vessel? Like a ship? No. Some kind of something, like whether like a garbage can, one of these cool pails that kind of looks like a garbage can from Grain to Glass. A Grainfather, holy shit. A Grainfather SP70, you know, if you happen to have one of those in the park, very unlikely. You know, a horse trough, a river, like a little pond, a hole you dug out of the ground. If it's in this shape, fucking gold, okay? So what are we gonna do? All we gotta do, first we're gonna have a sip. Then, you can either put the keg in first or the ice first. It's probably easier to get the ice first. Got our water with ice, with salt. If you haven't watched that video, you fucked up. There we go. Boom. Bam. Top right up with water. And the best part is, or the worst part, as the keg starts to float up, you can tell how much beer you got left. When it's way up here, time to tap another one. All right, it's Friday. Don't get too fucked up.